Hello everyone. Welcome back to my Wordivo English tips. Do you want to improve your English while learning about money and finance? You are in the right place. Today, we will practice 150 simple English sentences about money, saving, and finance. These sentences are very easy and perfect for beginners. Backhand index pointing right, listen carefully. Backhand index pointing right, repeat after me. Backhand index pointing right, and improve your English step by step. Let's start your English learning journey. 1. I earn money every month. 2. I save some money. 3. I spend money carefully. 4. Money is important in life. 5. I have a bank account. 6. I deposit money in the bank. 7. I withdraw money when needed. 8. I check my balance daily. 9. I use cash sometimes. 10. I also use online payment. 11. I want to save more money. 12. Saving money is a good habit. 13. I keep my money safe. 14. I make a monthly budget. 15. A budget helps me control spending. 16. I write my expenses. 17. I reduce unnecessary expenses. 18. I plan before spending money. 19. I buy only what I need. 20. I avoid wasting money. 21. I earn money from my job. 22. My salary comes every month. 23. I receive my salary in my bank. 24. I work hard to earn money. 25. I want to increase my income. 26. I look for better opportunities. 27. I learn new skills. 28. Skills help me earn more money. 29. I want financial freedom. 30. I manage my money wisely. 31. I pay my bills on time. 32. Electricity bill is important. 33. I also pay mobile bills. 34. I use money for daily needs. 35. I buy groceries every week. 36. Food is a basic expense. 37. Rent is a big expense. 38. I plan my expenses monthly. 39. I track my spending. 40. I try to save extra money. 41. I open a savings account. 42. A savings account gives interest. 43. Interest helps money grow. 44. I like to save money. 45. I avoid too much spending. 46. I think before buying anything. 47. I compare prices. 48. I choose the best deal. 49. Discounts help me save money. 50. I love saving money. 50. I love saving money. 51. I use a debit card. 52. I also use UPI payments. 53. Online payment is easy. 54. I check my transactions. 55. I keep records of money. 56. I avoid fraud and scams. 57. I never share my bank details. 58. Safety is important in finance. 59. I protect my money. 60. I trust secure apps only. 61. I want to invest money. 62. Investment helps grow money. 63. I learn about investments. 64. I start with small amounts. 65. I take low risks first. 66. I invest for the future. 67. I want long-term growth. 68. I understand basic finance. 69. I improve my money skills. 70. I learn every day. 71. I save money for emergencies. 72. Emergency funds are important. 73. I keep extra money ready. 74. Life is unpredictable. 75. Savings give me security. 76. I feel safe with savings. 77. I prepare for future needs. 78. I avoid financial stress. 79. I stay calm with money. 80. I manage risks carefully. 81. I do not take unnecessary loans. 82. Loans must be repaid. 83. I borrow only when needed. 84. I pay my debts on time. 85. I avoid late payments. 86. I keep my credit good. 87. Good credit is important. 88. I build trust with banks. 89. I follow financial discipline. 90. I stay responsible. 91. I set financial goals. 92. Goals help me stay focused. 93. I plan for my future. 94. I want to buy a house. 95. I save for big dreams. 96. I take small steps daily. 97. I stay consistent. 98. I believe in progress. 99. I track my goals. 100. I celebrate small wins. 101. I learn about money daily. 102. I read finance books. 103. I watch finance videos. 104. I improve my knowledge. 105. Knowledge helps me grow. 106. I ask questions. 107. I learn from experts. 108. I stay curious. 109. I stay updated. 110. I apply what I learn. 111. I control my spending habits. 112. I avoid impulse buying. 113. I think before spending. 114. I save for future needs. 115. I stay disciplined. 116. I follow my budget. 117. I respect money. 118. I use money wisely. 119. I make smart decisions. 120. I stay focused. 121. I track my income. 122. I track my expenses. 123. I calculate my savings. 124. I review my budget. 125. I adjust my plan. 126. I improve every month. 127. I learn from mistakes. 128. I stay positive. 129. I grow financially. 130. I become better. 131. I believe in saving. 132. I believe in investing. 133. I believe in planning. 134. I believe in discipline. 135. I believe in growth. 136. I trust my journey. 137. I stay motivated. 138. I stay focused. 139. I build wealth slowly. 140. I stay consistent. 141. I respect money. 142. Money is a tool. 143. Money helps me live better. 144. I use money carefully. 145. I save and invest wisely. 146. I build a strong future. 147. I grow step by step. 148. I stay financially smart. 149. I keep learning daily. 150. I improve my life with money. Great job! You completed today's English practice. Clapping hands. If you practice these sentences daily, your English will improve very fast. Remember, consistency is the key to success. If you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up, like, speech balloon, comment, bell, and subscribe to the channel. Share this video with your friends who want to learn English. Keep learning, keep growing, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much.